Hi, I'm Lachlan from Kashy, and today I'm going to show you my favourite way to clean cloudy headlights. While there might be a lot of products out on the market that claim to clean and restore headlights, my favourite product is this $15 bottle of polish that you can get at any parts store. And while these headlights aren't too dirty yet, now's the perfect time to catch them before they get really bad. All you'll need for this process is your polish and a couple of rags. Apply your polish to the rag and then rub it into the headlight in small circular motions. Once you've rubbed the polish in for a couple of minutes, take a nice clean rag and wipe it all off. If you want to put a protectant layer on the headlights to prevent this happening again, now would be the perfect time. But to be honest with you, I find that silicone lubricant is one of the best ways to help. Just spray a little bit on a rag and wipe over the headlights again. That's my favourite trick for cleaning the headlights on most cars. Thanks again, I'm Lachlan from Kashy.